The Range Rover Evoque's Pivi Pro system can face issues like black screens or freezes. Knowing how to reset it is crucial. There are two main types of resets: a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a soft restart that clears temporary memory and fixes minor glitches, like frozen apps. To perform a reboot, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds, or cycle the vehicle's ignition. A factory reset restores the system to its original state, wiping all data and settings. It's for more serious issues, like recurring black screens. Remember to back up your data via Cloud Sync before a factory reset. Access it via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. You might need a confirmation code from your owner's manual. Black screens in Pivi Pro often result from software crashes, corrupted firmware, or hardware failures. These issues can disrupt the system's normal operation. If your Pivi Pro screen is black, try a hard reboot. Hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for 20 seconds. This can resolve the issue, especially if audio still works but the screen doesn't. Always perform resets when the vehicle is stationary and parked. These actions can temporarily disable safety features like the rear-view camera. Keep your Pivi Pro software updated to the latest version. JLR releases over-the-air updates that often include fixes for common issues. If problems persist, especially with older models, consider professional diagnostics using a JLR diagnostic tool at an authorized service center. Remember that extreme temperatures or poor cellular signals can sometimes trigger black screens as well.